Hi, in this video of hsbDesign for Revit, I want to show you one of the new functionalities that we developed for version 29, the hsbComments. The hsbComments can be found in the hsbOutput ribbon. On the far right side, we have the hsbLink comment and the Manage Comments command. We can now use Revit text and Revit regions to enrich our elements on hsbView and hsbMake. Now, how it is done in practice, that's something I will guide you through. In order to place a comment or region in Revit to an element, first off, we need to create a section. A section can be defined by the user, or you can generate a shop drawing where the sections will be created around the element. In this case, I want to generate a shop drawing for my zone -1 for this element. I'll go to hsbOutputs, generate a shop drawing for zone -1 by selecting the item container and pressing enter. This will now create a shop drawing of this element, highlighting zone -1, which I will use this zone to add some text values in and place the region so the people on the shop floor know exactly what to do. I will highlight that in the opening they should have a foil overlap, and for the sheathing in the corner it should be assembled on site and not on the production side. Once the shop drawing has been generated, we can open this up and have a look. I will activate the viewport by double-clicking and I can go to the Annotate ribbon. In the Annotate ribbon, we have the option to place a text and a region. I'll start off by adding a text and I will center it. I'll call this foil overlap. Now, I will reposition it right in the center so it's clear. As I mentioned, I will also add a region. Region can also be found in the Annotate ribbon by selecting the option to place a rectangle region. This will be a closed boundary. By pressing Finish, I now have my region added as well as my comment. Next step, I will have to link this. Now we can use the command in the hsbOutput. In the hsbOutput, we have the link comment command. By selecting this option, you will see the custom UI pop up, and in here I can specify the comments type. In this case, I will use a text and a region option, and I want to add it to zone -1. After pressing OK, I got asked to select the text comment, then I got asked to select the region. Once this is done, these elements are now added to the item container. Only thing that's left to do is to generate the export to hsbView in the hsbOutputs. By pressing OK, I will run my hsbView export of this element. It will create an HMLX file, which can be opened in hsbView. Once this is done, I can open up hsbView and we can have a look on the element. As we now can see, we have the region visible on the sheathing size of zone -1, as well as the text for the foil overlap. I hope this video helped you to get a better understanding of how you can use the hsbComments in your design and enrich your model information. Thanks for watching.